again.
The two friends want to ride down the track. So they climb aboard Thomas's empty flatbed. The flatbed shook and shuddered along the old track.
Ooh.
But when they came to Golden Hill, it was a big hill.
And then they decided to go backwards.
But the train was too heavy.
So they had to go backwards. But they uncoupled.
Nope. So what?
But the iron golem fell off. Because plot.
But he had to get to the front.
So he decided to go backwards.
So he wanted to go down the long way. But Thomas was ahead.
But it was falling, so Thomas had to go backwards. But the Enderman didn't. I mean, not the Enderman. The Iron Golem. Never mind. Why do you always not you my plots? Jack, you're in front of the camera. You're gonna be in front of the camera. Move a little.
Sorry.
It's okay, Jack. It's show business. You're new to this.
He jumped on board back.
And then they hugged. Because hugs.
Then the other man.
Enderman, not other person.
Man jumped on board and they hugged each other. And they wanted.
But in a platonic way.
After they went down
Don't get any ideas, fan fiction writers.
the flatbed stood on.
Jack, 20-ish seconds left. Try to finish the story.
Thomas headed off to the dock.
Yay! And then he went backwards because it's cool. Can we end the story now?
Sure.
And then they hugged again for the point of thought. Hugs. Goodbye.